Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we are making this delicious garlic shrimp lo mein. First begin with 400 grams of shrimp that is nicely clean and deveined. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of white pepper powder and mix well. We are going to leave the tail on because it gives the shrimp a very nice look. Then add 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Coat the shrimp evenly with the cornstarch and set it aside while we make our noodles. Now to make the noodles, boil some water and bring it to a rolling boil. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use any kind of noodles. And then put the noodles into the boiling water and cook the noodles for 5 minutes. We want the noodles to remain al dente, which means they are firm in the center. So our noodles have been cooking for 5 minutes. We are going to drain the water into a strainer and then immediately rinse it with some cold water. This way the noodles will remain al dente. And now it's time to cook our shrimp. Add some oil to the pan and fry the shrimp. Fry the shrimp for 1 minute on each side until they are a light golden color. We don't want to cook the shrimp too much because then they will become very chewy. Our shrimp is now cooked. It is a nice light golden color. Set it aside. Now coat a wok with some oil and add 3 tablespoons of crushed garlic. We are going to let this brown for a little bit and then add the rest of the garlic to the wok. Now add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger. After the garlic is golden brown, add 3 more tablespoons of crushed garlic to the wok. Then add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to the wok. Now add finely diced red, green and yellow pepper to the wok. Saute it for a few seconds. We want the vegetables to remain crispy. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar and give it a mix. Now we will add our cooked shrimp to the wok and give it a good mix. Now add half a cup of tomato ketchup, half a cup of chili sauce and keep the heat high. Give it a mix and cook it on a high flame. Now add our cooked noodles to the wok and mix the noodles with the shrimp and the vegetables. Give it a really good mix. Our shrimp lo mein is ready. Now add some scallions to the noodles. Our shrimp lo mein smells absolutely divine. It is savory, spicy, tangy, and delicious. This recipe turned out absolutely delicious. I hope you give it a try. It is the perfect comfort food and perfect for holidays with friends and family. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes just like this. Thank you for watching and until next time, get spiced and try.